I forgot to record my amazing drywall skills on drywall. But I'll tell you about all the fantastic things that I did. This used to be a huge, actually it was 3 sliding glass doors. And we changed it into 3 windows. We found 3 windows in the hayloft. So we went ahead and perfect size. But my drywall skills are probably 30 years old. I did remember some things and I forgot other things. But it's installed. Of course, I've got to tape it, mud it, and now we've got to fill in all the holes around the house. There was another air conditioner through the wall. So we filled it in. It's going to get drywall. In the kitchen, we have holes and holes and holes. Oh my. Everywhere to fish wires where they need to be for the new cabinet set up. Oh, looky here. Holes, 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 holes. Wallpaper, holes, holes. Gotta fix it. Oh, let's not forget here. Hole to be able to fish wire. And there is a hole up there. Let's not forget the 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I tell you, this place is so holy. The Pope should live here. When it comes to more holes. Let's see. Can we find any holes here? I don't know. Looks pretty good. Nope. There's a hole there. Guess that's to let the mice in. Any more holes? Yep. Another air conditioner unit. That was before we added mini splits. How about this hole to the bathroom? Yeah, I'm not thinking that needs to be there.
for a while. Must be witches or spiders.
Are you sweeping this evening again?
Because the cobwebs are just crazy.
Son of a biscuit eater.
And you never know how things are attached in here, in this place. Could be 1-foot nails or 1-foot screws. You might need a screw this long, but they put a screw that long. See? Why do you need that long a nail? That's all in one little corner. Oh my gosh. You have enough holes?